Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take off the modules for the black or any of the colors. First, you'll have to remove all the toners out. Okay, next, we're going to remove 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then this whole tab will come right off. So then when you remove, you just want to make sure you grab this cord that's right here. What you're going to do is lift and then pull this off so that you're able to take off this. Next, we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's going to move this gray cover with this plastic here. We'll lift it up and then we'll expose the modules. So we'll move this here and this one too. Move the cover up, and then just want to make sure you open the front cover just so then this comes right off. Then we'll go ahead and lift. Drum just a little bit. Like so, to expose the modules here. Next, we'll remove a couple screws. You'll have one in the corner up here, one here, one in here, one in here, one right here, one right here, and 2 more right here on the side. And then these 2 we're going to go ahead and unplug. So we'll unplug those first, and then we'll get all of those, and that should come right off. Okay, once you remove these 2 screws, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and then these 2, make sure these are disconnected. Then this will start to come right off, like so. So for the black, if you're going to be taking that one, you'll have 1 screw here, and you will have 1 screw right on the other side, and then you will have to remove the wire ring for it. So you'll have to follow along and remove here, and then remove this one here and here. Once you have that, just make sure from the bottom here, this is closed up, so this can lift up.